YouTube, what's going on with y'all out here, man? It's your smell good partner D, back again with another video, making sure that we keep you fresh, fly, and confident. And man, this is the Layered by Scentz channel, where you already know what we do. We elevate your presence one spray at a time. So man, I definitely want to ask you guys before we get started to subscribe, to hit the like button, and definitely turn on that notification bell so you can stay updated with the squad, man. Hey, with that being said, smell good fam, I hope y'all doing well. Let's get into the video. Today we're talking about Father's Day gifts that are not basic. So if you got an uncle, a dad, a grandpa, a stepfather, or just a close friend, or maybe even you that wants to level up your scent game, I think these three options will have all the bases covered. Alright, so let's get into our first option. And this one, pretty hard to beat, but you can never go wrong with a nice designer gift set, man. This one right here we got from Paco Rabanne, and we got 1 Million Lucky, we got 1 Million Lucky Parfum, we got the original Invictus, and we got that original Phantom. So man, this gift set, this is a pretty easy gift set to get for your dad. All these fragrances are classics, man. They all smell great. So if you really don't know what scent your dad is into, or if you want to help him build a little mini collection into knowing what he likes, I think a nice gift set would go perfect, man. So from a lot of these designer houses, man, you can probably find a gift set around this time, around Father's Day, probably in the mall. You could probably go online at a discounter site, and man, like I said, man, this is a really good option. The reason that a gift set like this would be great for your dad is because it comes with multiple options, man. If your dad looking for something new and he just wants to try out a couple of things, that gives them just enough juice to kind of test them out and to know, all right, I might want a bigger bottle of this. But also the other part of this that makes it perfect is because you got options, man. You know, instead of one bottle, you got 4 different fragrances that you can try out. So you got some wintertime fragrances, you got some spring and some summertime fragrances. And like I said, man, you just really can't beat this, man. You got warm and cozy scents. Then on the other hand, you got fresh and nice floral scents. So like I said, man, I think this is the perfect option for your dad this Father's Day. So get on those discounter sites, go to the mall, see what they got, what kind of deals they got, and I'm sure you can come up with something great. Alright, so option number 2, we got perfume oils, man. And the reason why perfume oils are a great gift is because if your dad has a go-to fragrance that he likes to wear, this right here is going to help elevate it and push its projection, and also get you a little bit more longevity on it. Because perfume oils, man, these things are beasts, man. It's pretty much the pure oil of the DNA of the fragrance that you're trying to match it to. So man, these are always a great option. And some of the options that I have in here, I got a couple of niche fragrances that I got specialty from the oil lady. So I got Blue Talisman in here, I got Absolute Aphrodisiac from Initio, I got French Defense from Mind Games. So man, it's definitely some hitters in this bag. And like I said, man, if you go in your dad's collection and you look at a couple of scents he has, man, you can get him a couple of these, man, to match a few colognes, and they're very inexpensive. So that way, this could be like an extra gift on top of something else that you get. You know what I mean? So you ain't got to break the bank, but dad's still going to smell good, and he's going to feel good as well. So we got Blue Talisman. And man, this Blue Talisman, you already know what time it is. Pairing that with this Lattafa's Art of Universe, man, stop. You're gonna be killing the game. Well, your dad's gonna be killing the game. Alright, and then we got our last option for today, option number 3. And man, option number 3, it really gets slept on. You know what I mean? Like, a lot of people really don't just really think about it or really put these kind of combinations together. But a great layering hack that I learned from just going to Bath and Body body works and watching how the women buy their scents is to pair that cologne with a nice scented lotion, man. Now this is a really great layering hack, man. This is going to take any scent that you have and blow it into the stratosphere. But the one thing that you have to remember is to always buy a lotion that's pairing well with the scent that you're trying to pair it with. So if you get something like this Mahogany, it's woody, it's boozy, it's sweet, and it's very masculine. And then we're going to take something like this Lattafa Kingdom, which has that vanilla, that cinnamon, and just that nice warm and cozy feel. And man, these two right here, man, when they come together, I'm talking about your dad is definitely gonna be leveled up, man. He's gonna be smelling delicious, and hey man, he's definitely gonna be happy with the gift that you got him. So even if you're getting a full designer set, some really good smelling body oils, or a really nice lotion, man, you cannot miss with either one of these options, man. I'm telling you, you're gonna level up your dad and have him in his smell good bag. I hope you guys got some really great Father's Day gift ideas from the video. With that being said, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so you can always be tapped in with nice hacks, gift ideas, and reviews on fragrance, man. That's all we do here, man. We talk fragrance, we layer fragrance, and we have a lot of fun. So with that being said, smell good fam, much love, and man, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.